Hello, and welcome to the ProQuest Congressional Training Series. In this session, you'll learn how to work with the results screen and how to focus in your search for congressional information. For the purpose of this video, we'll search the Congressional Publications menu. If you want to do a search on a topic in the news such as oil spill, you can begin your search from either the basic or advanced search screens. Using the Basic Search tab, you can search the metadata for all documents from all dates involving oil spills. Remember, the subscriptions will vary from institution to institution, so your search may not include all the document types shown here. The search trail is in the upper left corner. You can see your search terms oil spill. If you want to edit this search to add or change any of the terms, you would click the Edit Search button to go back to your original search screen. You can also see on your results screen the default sort is document type, so you can easily link into the CRS reports documents by selecting the hyperlink from your results list. From here, you can navigate into the individual documents, for example, CRS reports, or you can jump to the next section of documents, which are committee prints, or you can navigate back to the top of your list to jump into another section, such as other documents or hearings. If you would like, you may change the default sort to have documents sorted by most recent publication to oldest publication. At the top of your screen, you also have the ability to view results in different ways. The results list is going to give you the citation list of each of these documents. The expanded list is going to display your search terms, highlighted with just a couple of words on either side to show you a little bit of context as to how these search terms might appear in the document. The expanded list will show you the same information as the result list, the citation information, as well as your search words with some brief context so you can see where your words are appearing or how many times they might be appearing in each document. That might give you an idea of which documents are more important to view first, or print, download, or email to save or view later. The next tab we'll explore is the Quick tab. Quick stands for Keywords in Context. It shows our keywords, but also shows some of the words around them to give us more context. Typically, it displays 25 words on either side of the search word. For example, if your word appears in the middle of a large paragraph, you will see the 25 words on either side. If your words are appearing in a small sentence, you are not going to see as many words in that context. This allows you to navigate through each document and see that context. The final tab is the Full Document tab. For example, in the full abstract for the CRS document, you'll see all of the bibliographic information as well as summary description of that document, all of the subject index terms, and links to the complete text of that document. You'll also see on your screen a focus box. The focus box allows you to search within your existing results list, within the full text of those results for specific words and phrases. This can help narrow down your search from a broad search to a more specific search. For this example, in which you have searched for documents related to oil spills, you can narrow down those documents that may be addressing the Gulf oil spill by typing the words cleanup into the focus box. So if you want to focus on documents talking about oil spills and cleanup, you now have reduced your results list. Notice in your full text view that ProQuest has identified that the words that you searched for in your focus box now appear within the PDF twice. So as you look at each of the documents in your results list, it will tell you where and how many times the terms that you have focused on appear within those full text documents. Focus is a great way to look within a results set for specific words and phrases. This can be very useful when you are looking for documents that may discuss the interpretation of a particular statute. You can look for legislative intent behind those specific words and phrases, focusing on those words and phrases in your focus. Finally, after you have focused your search, you can return to your original results set by clicking on the hyperlink in your search trail for your original search terms. So here, oil spill was your original search. You then focused on documents related to cleanup, and you can return to all of the oil spill documents by clicking on that hyperlink, and it will return you to your original list. From the results list, you may also want to tag documents for delivery. Select those documents using the checkbox, and then select either the Print Save icon, or you can select the email form to email these to yourself or other individuals. You have the option in the email form to select all of the documents in your results set or just the ones that you have previously selected for delivery. You can also change the selection by typing out those document numbers in this field. If you previously checked other documents, you can change your selection to the documents that you type in this list. When you email them, you have the option to email the results list that you were viewing, or that expanded list that might show you how many times your search hits appeared within each document. You can then enter up to 3 email addresses in the To box and then add a brief note. You can preface your email because it will come to your user from the ProQuest print delivery system, and this will alert them to the fact that this was in response to a research request. That concludes this session on working with the results screen and focusing in your congressional search. To learn more about how you can significantly optimize your search capabilities with the incredible range and power of ProQuest, please consult the other videos in this training series.